I'm pleased to announce that every MRT build now comes with a 5-year warranty, unlimited kilometres. Now, most of what we talk about is how we build. This one's about what happens after you drive away. A warranty is about the future, and that is what we are creating at MRT. It's an experience that doesn't finish. So alongside it, proud to introduce the MRT Owners Hub. It's where our engineering team puts everything they know in one place. Setup, videos, care and maintenance, you name it. And tips and tricks and journeys from our ambassadors. So you get answers from the people who actually build your gear and the community who actually use it. Now, the warranty applies to MRT manufactured products delivered to the customer from the 1st of July 2026. And it sits on top of your rights under Australian consumer law, not instead of them. Full terms are on the Owners Hub. The build is just the start of our journey together. We're backing both for the long haul.